Good morning, students. Today we'll learn about the surface area and volume. Okay, so we have the topic today that is surface area and volume. Surface area and volume. Okay, this is the most important topic we have because you know this is most important for both classes, ninth and 10th. Okay, so the class for ninth we have lot of solid figures, like for example first one if I see, that is for the cube. Okay, first one for the cube. Here we have the formulas for surface area, that is total surface area, curved surface area and volume. Okay, so like first we are talking about first one is the cube. How the cube looks like, if I like to draw this is something like, we can see how the cube looks like. Okay, so this is something like cube, its edge will be a, let's take its side be a. So we'll find the formulas for this, that is total surface area will be 6 into a square, curved surface area will be 4 into a square, and if I talk about a volume, then the volume will be side cube, that is a cube we have taken. I am taking a as a side, so will the according to it the formulas will be TSA, CS and volume. Okay, let us talk about second figure, cuboid. We have cuboid, how it looks like. Okay, so this is cuboid. So this is cuboid. Now cuboid is this. So now we'll try to see its length will be, okay, we have its breadth and its height. Okay, so now according to it, formulas will be for the cuboid 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. So this will be the formula for TSA. If I talk about CSA, it will be 2 into L plus B into H. And if I talk about its volume, then its volume will be, that is length into breadth into height. Okay, so these two solid figures are very most important for class 9th and 10th. Okay, then now let us move to third one. Third one will be like something, it will be cuboid. Now third one will be third one, let us take about cone. Let us talk about cone. Okay, so cone is something what we can do it is like this. Okay, something it looks like cone like this. Now its formulas will be cone, that is for a TSA, pi r L plus r. Now how to find L? Is this L is the slant height, r is the radius and height is the h is the normal height. Now we want to calculate the slant height. How will we find? Like this. Okay, this is like, Now to find the CSA we have pi r l. We all know the value of pi, that is pi can be taken as 22/7 or 3.14. Okay, like this. Now its volume will be what? Okay, so this surface area we have TSA, and that is a CSA, and volume will be 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, so that is how we able to calculate the volume. So now we have cube, cuboid, and cone. Now the fourth thing we'll have, what will be the fourth? The fourth thing will be, let us take sphere, or let us take first hemisphere. How it looks like? Okay, something that looks like this. Okay, it looks like something hemisphere. So now its volume will be 4/3 pi r cube, and its TSA and CSA, if I talk about, 2 pi r square, and sorry, its TSA will be 3 pi r square, and its 2 pi r square. Okay, like this. Okay, so like this we can calculate the formulas for this. Now let us move to fifth one, that is after hemisphere we have sphere. After hemisphere we have sphere. So sphere is like earth. For example, if I take an example of sphere shape, will be earth. Okay, so its formulas now will calculate 4 pi r square is a TSA. There is no CSA for it, and for the volume, now if I go for what will be its volume, its volume will be 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, so we have sphere, its we have TSA only, no CSA, and its volume will be 4/3 pi r cube, and in hemisphere, that is the TSA will be 3 pi r square and CSA will be 2 pi r square, and its volume will be 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, so here now we have discussed about 5 figures. Okay, now let us move to another figure, that is cylinder. One more we have, that is cylinder. Now we'll talk about it. I hope they are clear now. Now let us move to cylinder. We have discussed fifth one, this is sixth one. So how it looks like? Here we have two things, that is, this is what. Okay, so this is, we have, if I talk about, that is height, that is called radius. So its formulas, let us calculate. Its volume is pi r square h, is CSA will be 2 pi RH, and its TSA will be 2 pi r plus h. Okay, so these are the formulas. For the cylinder we have the TSA 2 pi r plus h, CSA we have 2 pi RH, volume we have pi r square h. So likewise we can easily find these their formulas of the solid figure and will be applied in the numerical. So these are the most important formula for the class 9th, plus they also help in class 10th, because this is surface area is a chapter which has more weightage in exam. So we need to learn these formulas of these specific solid figures so as to so that we can apply in the numericals. Now we'll solve the numericals.